Grand finale. Okay. That's grand finale.
You're bullshitting. It's not coming up, man. This shit's fucked, man. This car's crazy, son.
Go be right there. I'll cover you.
Oh yeah, but against the fence.
I want to leave, man.
I know.
No fireworks at all.
Yeah, this is hurting Canada though.
Last year it was like.
This looks like Canada.
No, this is just Canada. They have fucking USA and China to go
Fuck
yet.
the USA! We are Canada!
Shut up, Jason.
USA!
Are you recording right now?
Yeah.
Got it. You watch it. No, wait.
I'll take pictures. Jesus Christ! Look at the fireworks! God damn! This is it! Grand finale! I should be on the fucking... Jesus Christ! I should be on the boat with my boss.
You ruined this.
Look! Watch that! Yeah! That's it! This is it! Stand by! Watch! Watch! I'm watching! Yo! Watch! Jason, I'm gonna whoa, don't stop! I just want to good enough, girl!
Did you? Oh, yeah, she paid for it. I get a short.
Watch! Watch! There's some beer. Watch! Jesus Christ! Oh my fucking God! Yay! Grand finale! Woo!
Get out of the way!
Invisible fireworks, get down!
Invisible fireworks.
Ah, you're a loser. There it is.
I'm not even like Jerk off for material.
This is my gay shirt.
Watch.
When you see green, remember this thing with me. Wait, no.
Oh, whoa! I've never seen that was her shirt. No, that was. No, man. Jerk off material.
It's like Madonna.
Madonna?
Yeah, life is on me.